Simba was the king in the great jungle. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, I'm Dudapa. I want to tell a story about Lion King. Let me begin. Simba was the king in the great jungle. He's wise and strict. Every day, he liked to listen to reports from many animals. Simba, my king, our kingdom is very safe, said the rabbit. We have lot of food and water, sir, said the elephant. Our squads are ready and strong, my lord, said the tiger. Simba is always happy to hear all the reports. Good morning, I'm so happy to hear all your reports, said the Lion King. You have my thanks, and I love you all. Simba said again. We love you too, my king, said the other animal. Ladies and gentlemen, the story shows us that we must respect and care each other. Well, that's all about my story. Thanks for your attention and good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.